Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Mute your videos. Just you only listen. Stop your videos. Okay. Then you can. My voice is reach to you. Just you listen. Now you can scale the screen share on. Screen share
వీడియో కంటే వాళ్ళ ఫేసెస్ కనిపించకూడదు జస్ట్ ఇలా వస్తాయి కనిపిస్తుంది.
Okay. Now is it audible to you, everyone? Santosh?
Yes, sir.
Now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I am starting. Listen. Okay. Now we have two equations. Now the pair of linear equations in two variables solved by substitution method. That process we have two equations. First equation is x plus y equal to 14. Second equation is x minus y.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Huh?
Audible, sir.
Voice not
Audible,
audible,
sir.
sir.
Why, sir?
Audible, sir.
Okay. You mute yourself. Then video also you mute. Both stop. Then you can listen and you can share the screen. You do network problem. Okay. Now only screen share only you see. Okay. Now the second equation is x
Sir.
equal to 4.
Sir,
Yes.
voice is not audible, sir.
Still.
Audible, sir.
Audible.
Audible,
Somebody who are having network
Audible,
problem, you
sir.
see.
Audible,
Okay.
sir.
Audible.
Okay, mute yourself. All mute yourself. Now, x minus y equal to 4, x equal to 4 plus y. This I took, right? X in terms of y. This is the third equation. This I am substituting in a first equation. So I took second equation. I wrote x in terms of y means y I transposed to RHS. Then x equal to 4 plus y. Substitute in a first equation. So in place of x, I substitute 4 plus y equal to 14. Y plus y means 1y plus 1y, 2y. 4 plus 2y equal to 14. Then 2y equal to 14 minus 4. 14 minus 4 means 10. Now y equal to 10 by 2, 5. Then y equal to 5 I got. This y equal to 5, substitute in third equation. That is x equal to 4 plus y is there now. So in that I substitute x equal to 4 plus y value 5. 4 plus 5 means the value is 9. So hence the solution of the equations is x equal to 9 and y equal to 5. Okay. Understand? This is a substitution method solved by substitution method. One example. Is it okay means I can go for second example, Amma. Next example I can go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now second example.
Yes, sir.
Once copy it. Once copy it, Amma. Once copy it fastly. You can go for next example. If over, then I can scroll. If copy over, then I scroll next part.
Completed, sir.
Then I am upward, I am moving. Okay. See, copy it. Santosh, raise your hand. What is the problem?
Sir.
Copied?
Yes, sir.
Now scrolling. Now this is the last part. Is the last part. X equal to 9, y equal to 5 is the solution of the equation by substitution method. Substitution method means you take one of the equation and you can write x in terms of y, x equal to 4 plus y, that I substitute in a first equation. And then I got the value of y, then y value I substitute in the x equation, x. x equal to 9 and y equal to 5 I got. Okay. Can I go for next example? Substitution method only. 6 sum.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the equation is 3x by 2 minus 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 equal to minus 2. Second equation is x by 3 plus y by 2 equal to 13 by 6. Now LCM 6. 6 in 2 table 3 times, 3 3s are 9x minus 6 in 3 table 2 times, 2 5s are 10y equal to minus 2. And now I transpose 6 in denominator, transpose to RHS. Then 9x minus 10y equal to minus 12. This is my simplification of the equation. 9x minus 10y equal to minus 12. And second equation I want to simplify. That is LCM again 6 here. 6 in 3 table 2 times 2x. 6 in 2 table 3 times 3y. 2x plus 3y equal to 13 by 6. Now both denominator 6 1 I can cancel both sides. Left side 6, right side 6, both are in denominators. I can cancel means I multiply by 6 on both sides, then both are get cancelled. Then my simplified equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 13. These are the two equations I got. Now I have to take any one of the equation. Which one is simple? That I have to take. Here 9, 10 are there, but here 2, 3 are there. So I thought this fourth equation is the simple one. So this I am selecting. In this I am writing x in terms of y, means first I transpose 3y to RHS. See, I transpose 3y to RHS. From equation 4 I got this one. 2x equal to plus 3y I transpose to minus 3y. 2x equal to 13 minus 3y, and then I transpose 2 also. Then x equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. This already we learned in 9th class. X in terms of y, y in terms of x also we can do
Yes,
it.
sir.
So I got
Yes, sir.
x equal to 13 minus 3y by 2 equal to 13 minus 3. This I have to substitute in equation 3. I took equation 4. Don't substitute again in fourth equation. You have to substitute in a third equation. Understand? Okay. So x equal to 13 minus 3y by 2 in third equation you have to substitute. Okay. Now coming to third equation. See 9x. In place of x, see my cursor is moving. In place of x, I am substituted 13 minus 3y by 2. 9 of 13 minus 3y by 2 minus 10y equal to minus 12. Now multiply by 9. 39 is 117. 9 3 is 27y by 2 minus 10y equal to minus 12. Now LCM 2. 117 minus 27y. 2 10s are 20y equal to minus 12. And now these both are minus 27 minus 20. So minus 47y. 117 minus 47y equal to minus 24. So transpose 172 to RHS. Then it becomes minus 117. Then minus 47y equal to minus 141. Both sides minus is there na? I can cancel. Hence 47y equal to 141. Y equal to 141 by 47 3 times. This is I got y value. Up to this, understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, mute yourself. Mute yourself.
Sir.
Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay, Rafi. And now I'm scrolling y value, y equal to 3 in x equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. In that I'm substituting. So x equal to 13 minus 3y. 3 of y value 3 na. 13 minus 3 3 are 9 by 2. 13 minus 9 is 4 by 2. That equal to, hence x is equal to 2 and y equal to 3 is the solution of the equation. This is the second example by substitution method. Now I am scrolling. You can share. You can copy it. The sum. Any doubt you can ask. Now only. This is a substitution method. One more example. 6 sum. Write down. 6 sum. Write down. Copy it. Is it audible, my eyes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Mute yourself and copy it fastly. First, you have simplified both the equations. In that, I took the simplest equation 2x plus 3y equal to 13. That I wrote in terms of x in terms of y. We can make y in terms of x also. Then you can get a first x value, afterwards y value. Here I took x in terms of y. That's why I got y value first. Then I got x value. Both ways you can do it, Amma. X in terms of y can do it. Y in terms of x also we can do it. Now I'm moving. And now x equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. I substitute in another equation. I took fourth equation, but you have to substitute in third equation. Don't substitute in fourth equation, means same. 0 will come. If you substitute fourth equation only. That's why I substitute in equation 3. X in terms of y. We did that. We learned in 9th class also. This process. Now that x value I substituted completely. 13 minus 3 by beta substituted. I'm scrolling. Any problem? You ask. Completed. I'm moving. Say anyone, one of the student. Then I move the cursor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Up to y equal to 3. Write down. Y equal. Here simplification is there more. Simplification is there more.
Sir.
Now I'm moving. Now y equal to 3. I'm substituting in a x value. Yes, yes. Now the substitution method process completed. Hence the solution is x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Completed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I go for next method?
Yes, sir.
Now 2 methods completed. What you will do means today at home, remaining sums you try it in rough book. By substitution method only. Only substitution method you try it. Okay. I told first bit, 6th bit. Remaining 2, 3, 4 at home. Okay. Okay, again network connection is unstable is getting. Is it audible? Is it audible to you?
No, sir.
Or voice
No,
breaking?
sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Clearly, huh?
Not audible, sir.
Who Santosh is telling? Rahul? Rahul?
Yes, sir.
Rahul?
Audible, sir.
Audible, huh? My voice clearly?
Sir.
No breakings.
Yes, sir.
Can I continue?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next method, can I continue? Is it audible? Once again, we joined.
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes, sir.
audible? Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Only 11 participants. Can we continue? Huh? Now,
Sir.
screen share. Admit Supriya. Now she is in the school. Now joining. Supriya. Supriya. Is it audible my voice now? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
And now next method is what I told? Elimination method. We have completed. Now it is called elimination method, means eliminate any one of the variable, either x or y. We have to array off the video, Santosh. Then your voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now elimination method. The two equations we have here, x plus y equal to 5, 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now here we have to make any one of the variable equal. Here x is there, here 2x is there. So in first equation also I have to try to get 2x. For that what I am doing is I am multiplying the first equation by 2. Understand? I want to make x variable equal, here 2x is there. That's why in first equation also I want to get 2x. Then I can eliminate x variable. That's why multiplying equation 1 by 2 that I am doing. Multiplying equation 1 by 2 is 2x plus 2y equal to 10. See, multiplying both sides, 2 of x plus y equal to 2 of y. 2x plus 2y equal to 10. This is my equation. Named as third equation. 2x plus 2y equal 10. And down I wrote second equation. 2x, Santosh, mute. Santosh, mute yourself. Mute. Santosh, 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now my x variables are same. So if they are having same sign, I have to
Subtract.
Yes, I have to subtract. So now I am doing subtraction. 3 minus 2. If we are doing subtraction, we have to change the signs. So I change the signs, here minus is there, that's why I kept plus. Here plus is there, I kept minus. Now I am subtracting, then 2x minus 2x cancel. Now plus 2y plus 3y equal to 5y. 10 minus 4, 6. 5y equal to 6. Hence, y equal to 6 by 5 is y value. Understand this method?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One of the variable equal. For making one of the variable, I multiply by 2 first equation. Sometimes you can multiply both the equations also. Nitish, mute your video also. Mute. Video also stop. Just you see the screen share. Video also stop. Because network problem is there. Nitish, okay, good. Now, I want to make one of the variable equal. For that, I multiplied the first equation by 2. Then 2x plus 2y equal to 10 I got. Sometimes you can multiply both the equations also. But here, I multiplied only one equation. Then x variables are equal. Then if both having same sign, I can subtract the equations. That's why I subtracted 3 minus 2 plus 2x minus 6 cancel. Plus 2y plus 3y means 5y. 10 minus 4 means 6. Then y is equal to 6 by 5. This is y value. Now this y value I can substitute in any equation. Any equation I can substitute. Now I am substituting first equation. So x plus 6 by y equal to 5. I transpose to RHS 6 by 5. X equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. LCM 5. 5 5 are 25. 25 minus 6 by 5. 19 by 5. Hence, my two values are x equal to 19 by 5. Y equal to 6 by 5. These are the two values I got. Shahida admitting. Okay. Now, this is the process by elimination. Then I am keeping, you can copy it. Any doubt you can ask me. Copy it. Elimination method. You can copy it. This is another exercise, Amma. One exercise, one method he gave in textbook. This is another exercise. First time I selected. You see in textbook. This is the next exercise. First bit I selected. 3.4 exercise first bit. I'm scrolling.
Sir, here solutions came in fractions,
Fractions.
sir.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. Sometimes it may come, sometimes. Here in this fraction, what there? Sometimes may come. No problem. We can get it. Sometimes. No problem, ma. It's a good question. Sometimes you get fractions. You can make equal y variables also by multiplying or by sometimes you can multiply both the equations. Our motto is to make one of the variable equal, either x or y. For that, I can multiply one equation or I can multiply both the equations by any number. And subtract or addition. Same sign means subtraction. Different signs means I have to add. But here same sign I got now, that's why I subtracted. I'm moving.
Completed.
Now the last part. X equal to 19 by 5, y equal to 6 by 5. You can get fractions, no problem. Sometimes you always will not get whole numbers. Fractions may come. Completed. We can go one more example in the elimination method. Over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Mute yourself, mute
Yes, sir.
yourself. Stop audio and mute yourself both. Now the second part is, this is the fourth sum, Amma. In 3.4, first sum, fourth bit, this is, I took. X by 2 x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. I want to simplify. LCM I did. 6 I got LCM. 6 in 2 table 3 times 3x. Now 6 in 3 table 2 times 2 2s are 4y equal to 1. And now transpose 6 to RHS. Then I got 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. By simplifying I got this equation I kept as equation 3. Now here LCM is 3. LCM 3. 3 in 1 3 times 3x. 3 in 3 1 time y equal to 3. Now transpose 3 to RHS. 3x minus y equal to 3 3s are 9. These are the two equations. Third equation and fourth equation I got. Now already x variables are same, Amma. Now you no need to multiply. You see here. Once unmute. Anyone? Are you observing?
Yes, sir.
Already first 3x is same. The variable is same. 3x is there, 3x is there. Now you don't need to multiply anything. Directly we can subtract both the equations. That's why in next step you see, directly I subtracted. I don't need to multiply. I got variable same only. That's why I subtracted 3 minus 4. Then I change the signs. Here plus, here minus. Then plus 3x minus 3x cancel. Plus 4y plus 5y minus 6 minus and both negative signs. So you can add. So minus 15 and then 5y equal to minus 15 transpose 5. Hence y equal to 15 by 5 minus 3. So I got y value minus 3. Now this y value I can substitute in equation 4. In any equation you can substitute, no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4. In any equation you can substitute, but I am substituting in equation 4. So 3x minus of minus 3 equal to 9. Minus of minus means plus 3. So 3x plus 3 equal to 9. Transpose 3 to RHS. 3x equal to 9 minus 3, 6. 3x equal to 6. X equal to 6 by 3, 2. So x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3 I got. Hence, this is my solution by elimination method. Understand? Now you copy it. Starting onwards, I'm keeping 3.4 first bit, fourth sum, Amma. 3.4 first bit, fourth sum. Copy it. If completed, I can scroll upward little bit. Next part. Is it audible to you all? All are there? Unmute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Write down. Good.
Sir. Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, Santosh.
Homework.
Huh?
Homework what? Homework.
That previous substitution method is there, na? 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, sir.
3, 2, 3, 4, 5. I told first bit 6 bit, na? 2, 3, 4, 5 bits, 4 bits. Okay.
Yes, sir.
3.3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Homework. Copy it now.
Sir,
10
what
minutes
are
and I'm
the
a
first
timer.
2 methods completed?
Huh?
First
with
2
this-
methods
completed. Yes. First 2 methods are completed. Yes, Amma.
What are that methods, sir?
Huh? Yes.
What are the methods?
Substitution method and elimination method. First one is substitution method. Second one is elimination method. Substitution method and
Okay, thank you, sir.
method. First one, substitution method. I told 2 examples. Now these 2 examples are elimination method. Copied. Last part. Time last 10 minutes only. You can close. Another method I'll explain tomorrow. Next class. Tomorrow I'll explain because very less joined. My time is 9 minutes left. If you copy it, then once again I'll explain it. Oral I'll explain. Will do. Over na? Completed.
Yes, sir.
Copied. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So with this, I have completed 2 methods. Pair of linear equation 2 variables solved by substitution method and solved by elimination method. Yes, substitution method means you have taken 2 equations you are given. One of the simplest equation you have to write in that x in terms of y or y in terms of x. So x equal to y plus 4 I did in first equation. That you have to substitute in another equation, not in same equation. You took second equation, you have to substitute in first equation. Then you can simplify that value and we find y value and then you can find x value. I gave 2 examples there. Now elimination, our motto is you have to eliminate any one of the variable. For that we have to make the variables equal. By multiplying the equations you have to make variables equal. Okay. So now we have to
Thank
Thank
you,
you, sir.
elimination method. We have to make the variables x variable or y variable by multiplying first equation or by multiplying second equation, or sometimes you have to multiply both the equations also. In that case also you have to make variables equal, and after adding or subtracting you have to eliminate one of the variable and you can find another variable. Okay, so we have to make variables.
మారాలంటే అయిపోయిందాక
సిమ్ మార్చాలిగా.
మార్చాలా?
Yes.
ఎందుకమ్మా ఇదే నెంబర్ మీద మారుస్తారుగా?
Okay, you have to make equal the variables. By equaling variables, we can cancel x value and then you can find y value. This is the elimination method. So today we learned 2 methods: substitution method and elimination method. Substitution method I told 2 examples and elimination method I told 2 examples. Today's homework, you try it. Substitution method 2, 3, 4, 5 bits. In first sum, first bit 60 bit I explain. You try second, third, fourth, fifth, those 4 bits. You try at home. Okay, substitution method only.
In our book, sir.
Guys,
In our
everyone.
book.
Huh? Are breaking? Is it audible? My voice to everyone? Are you hearing?
In our book.
Audible.
Audible,
sir.
Okay. Huh?
Sir,
You write 3.1, 3.2.
write in class, sir.
3.1, 3.2 only. Those two exercises only. This one
Okay,
not.
sir.
3.1, 3.2 only in class, sir. This one.
Okay, sir.
Only. After completing full exercise, all the methods, then I will tell. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Class is going to end. Now are admitting. One is joining. Only few minutes left. It automatically will end. 40 minutes. I think 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes, I think. Okay. First class. So now we have algebraic method. We have 3 ways. One is substitution method. Another one is elimination method. Third one is cross multiplication method. In the cross multiplication method, you have to write the equation in standard form. Standard form is general form. A1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. A2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Transpose all to LHS side. Even constant also. You have to put LHS compulsory. Then we have an equation that is formula is there x equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 and y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So we have a x value and a y value. How you got? I'll explain tomorrow. Okay. How you got that equation, that formula, how you arrived, I'll explain through screenshot tomorrow by cross multiplication method. I think you complete class work 3.1 and 3.2. Time is how many time left?
Hello.
So okay, I'm closing.
Hello.
40 minutes over, I think. Huh?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.